Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. Converting XML data to a pandas data frame in Python involves using the xml.etree.elementtree module to parse the XML and then extracting the necessary information to create a data frame. Additionally, you can use the pandas library to handle and manipulate the data frame. Let's go through a step-by-step tutorial with code examples. Make sure you have the required libraries installed. You can install them using the following commands. In your Python script, import the necessary libraries. Parse the XML data using xml.etree.elementtree. Extract the necessary information from the XML data and create a pandas data frame. You can further customize and analyze the data frame based on your specific needs. For example, you can perform operations like filtering, sorting, or aggregations on the data frame. This is a basic example of converting XML data to a pandas data frame. Depending on your XML structure, you may need to adjust the code accordingly. ChatGPT.